Do standing desks help in weight reduction? Well, a fad came in 2016-17 wherein offices started having standing desks, and this was also followed by people working at home during COVID times that they would stand and do the work. Now, a latest research from Harvard and Stanford compares the productivity of standing desk versus sitting desk. स्टैंडिंग डेस्क से फोकस तो बढ़ता है, प्रोडक्टिविटी भी बढ़ती है, बट द मोस्ट नेगेटिव थिंग अबाउट इट इज जब ब्लड कंटिन्यूसली लेग्स में जाता है तो वेरिकोस वेन्स की प्रॉब्लम इन लोगों में बढ़नी शुरू हो गई. So ideal solution was brought out that keep alternating between sitting desk and standing desk. So after 2 hours, if you keep rotating, so then offices were suggested that keep 50% standing desk and 50% sitting desk and make the people keep rotating between the two. And the ideal is if there is movement between these interchange of desks. When movement is there, then the blood circulation improves, and this actually increased the productivity of people. This also improved their eyes movement. So if you are planning to change from sitting to standing, you need to make sure that you should have sitting as well as standing, क्योंकि खाली standing से muscle issues आने शुरू हो गए थे, the neck के cervical के issues आने शुरू हो गए थे, and खाली sitting में there was always a desire to reach out to the mobile and check the social media. So if we keep alternating between the two, we get the best productivity not only in office goers but also in students. So please bring in this change and see a whole lot of productivity improvement in all people who are using sitting and standing desks. Now when we are continuously interchanging and we are adding movement to this, then automatically there is some weight reduction also. So the survey says that when we are wanting weight reduction, then there has to be movement in between sitting and standing, and that definitely helps in reducing the calories. So keep alternating desks and keep moving throughout the day to get optimal results.